In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to assign specific materials to certain parts in OnShape, and then I'm going to show you how to find their physical properties. So let's get started. This is activity 231. You can see that I have all my parts here, and I have exactly which material that I want each part made of. So I want the external barrel to be made of ABS, the internal barrel made of PLA. So we're going to go through this, and we're going to assign those materials. So I'm going to open up my OnShape, and there is my external barrel. So the first thing I want to do is I want to assign the property to it. So down here in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see where it says part one. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to select assign materials. Now it's the third one down. I know it's very small, but we'll select assign materials, and I'll bring my window up here so you can see it a little clearer. And right now you can see that I have no materials assigned to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that little drop down window. And I can scroll down. Now that first part had to be made out of ABS. So there's my ABS, and that's a type of plastic. In there, real quickly, when I have ABS, I can go and find, oh, there's my density of ABS, 0.038. So once I got that, I'm just going to hit the green check mark. And now what I have to do is I have to window that piece, because that's the piece I want. And you should see that it's going to highlight. So if you have multiple pieces on a screen, you only want to grab that one individual piece. So now what I do is I'm going to go to the very bottom right-hand corner, and you can't get any farther or lower than this. So it's right down here. It's called Display Mass Properties. So I'm going to open up this window. And as previously talked about, you can see here's my mass, my volume, and my surface area. Now, as I mentioned earlier, a lot of places get mass and weight mixed up. This is one of the cases. This is actually not mass. This is actually the weight of the object. To find the mass, you'd have to divide it by gravity. So there is all the information that I need. So if I went back to my chart on this activity, I can put in my volume, my surface area, my weight, my mass. I would take this 32.16, divide my weight by that, and that will give me my mass. So that is how you do the properties of any piece on here. So for this activity, that's what you're going to do for each one of these pieces. You're going to assign a material to it, highlight it, go down to the bottom corner, and then find out what the physical properties of the piece of material are. When you're all done, we're just going to hit the check here, click in the white area so you uncheck that, and then we'll just go on to the next piece.